solve Leetcode 139 word break. Question we must solve that, but we use dynamic programming. But and then maybe you should try data structure. Ocean Leetcode 208 must solve try data structure. Must solve try data structure. And I might explain my brief explanation. No best set example our basis able to make already more about try data structure and how to use it to solve try data structure and how to use it to solve questions like this, right? Into when you maybe jump straight main whiteboard notes be into first you be implement a try class into implement a class of try node, and a try node no you be initializing self dot children a dictionary and a self dot is word, and so it be a false, right? If we have implemented try class no we initialize as a self dot root be equal to try node, right? I feel by defining function for insert into self and words, right? Into node be equal to self dot root, and now for each character in words, if character not in node dot children it will be key no into node dot children and the character number can home I set it as a new try node, right? So you can hold it at there, we just move to that node. Okay, this here you say can hold it at there into your base as if node never landed also you ever verify you ever set it is word no to true. Alright, basically I'm just saying you set it up your try data structure into words be a word dictum will be a can try data structure no, and I'm not sure the way I add the try data structure no, right? Into for push it question I'm solving in word dict. Alright, try dot insert word, but before that you can create a try class, right? In this here no you implemented try data structure and I inserted words in a try data structure. And this here you have a see words now. In set results as false. It's very similar to false times n, but first I'm defining n equal to length of s, right? And to say any be set similar to dynamic programming approach with this implementation, but for I in range n, right? If I equal to 0, and now say the one before I a true, so that's why I know say representing say rest at I minus 1 a true. then node no be equal to try the root of the try node, right? Because you have about root, it's not very second one because you whatever word now I first, no? Right? Into a true as you are setting node, no, right? Into this here, no, for J, I will look from J in range I to N. If you are I need be she about just be a J new one you have a right? If yeah, insert character is equal to S at J, it's a character, right? If character not in node dot children now, children are it means you into you break you are break, right? So yes, I know node be equal to node dot children, that character, right? Into say your body will drew home every day. Say you to my baba drew a new node now, right? You better check it say node a word at that point. Maybe you drew be I check I say a word, right? And if node dot is word, see who word be right? S at J no be equal to true. G we are return a res at -1. And you say any which you should try data structure so I solve a question where you say me messy we are usually I am missing you know. And we see we are this should be correct. Okay, try node has no attribute children. I must spell the children. Int node is self equal to root for character in words. If not in node dot children. Try node. Try node. Oh, res at J results as J will equal to true. Okay, into C any solve on has any me say an S at J but S a results because yeah counting be behind you drew last one I say you true which means a words now you can affect him right? Into you check the last one. But say and basically try data structure and here to solve some question way, right? Into all right, into no. Thank you for watching. And like, share, and subscribe also. Why? And I'm here English version of this ones and also link to the channel network channel by your name. She's a one to Trie now, person will table phone as well and also all with Thank you. Bye bye.